Hello everyone, welcome to Zanzibar Life Unfolded, our new YouTube channel, where in today's video, we take you guys on a drive to our land from Jambiani to Makunduchi in the southeast side of the island. We just purchased a plot of land near the coastline. We're a young family of 3, and we're planning to build a guest house from scratch for the first time. A little bit about Makunduchi is that it's a small town and more untouched than the neighboring towns like Jambiani and Paje. It has a lot of beautiful beaches, fresh seafood, and it's known for its New Year's festival called Mwaka Kogwa. We are really excited to share the journey of what it's like to build from scratch there and any challenges we might face. Enjoy the drive, and we'll come back when we get to the land. Okay, now we've made it to the land and we're going to park our car right over here to the left. And on this road you can see that there's a lot of construction happening, but in the future this is going to be the main road to reach our land. I'm walking to the land along this coral stone wall because there's a lot of cut down trees and I don't want to twist my ankle. But here's our land with the ocean view right there to the east. Super beautiful. And this is an overview of our land. Our land is 1,200 meters squared, 1,200 meters squared, however you want to say it. And this is it panning from west to east. So on our property, as you can see on the ground, there's lots of little white stones. Those are little pieces of coral, and they're all over the property because we're so close to the ocean. There's tons of coral on the ground. And if you see these piles of sticks all over the place, this is actually from the previous owners. They cut down all the trees, all the branches, all the bushes, and burnt them so we'd be able to walk across the land. I really love this plot of land. It's super beautiful. It has a nice breeze, lots of nature, little butterflies everywhere. Some more cool nature that we noticed on the property is these Madagascar periwinkle flowers that I actually looked up and found out were an Ayurvedic herb used to treat things like diabetes and other ailments. And as we continue to scan the ground, we found a lot of cool pieces of coral that I'm going to show in a few seconds. Yeah, so here are some of the cool pieces of coral that we found, along with a seashell. So yeah, guys, this is the property overview. Be sure to look out for the next video because we're going to be showing a 3D rendering of what the house is going to look like. We have a beautiful sunset here, and now we're going to take you guys to the beach. The beaches here are super breezy. They're not as crowded as other beaches. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and share the video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.